Say something.
Yeah, you know, so then she was like, that is the biggest thing I've ever seen. And then I was like, I told you. Wild weekend, yeah. Bar mitzvahs, what you gonna do? So I put on my clothes and I got the hell out of there. Yeah. I was hanging out last week. Fucking I took a nasty dump and then
What the fuck are you looking up over there?
Zach's doing Hooked on Phonics.
The fuck?
Why are you looking up chicks?
Huh?
Gay porn.
Why are you looking up chicks?
I'm still working on that flyer, man.
What
Fuck.
flyer?
Alright.
Put a picture of me on it.
He's looking for something.
Yeah.
The fucking spank bank. That's what he's looking for.
Yeah, that's it.
Say something to the camera.
So,
If you're watching this,
Sideways.
Well, you're
Look
just
at
looking
the
at
volume.
Rihanna. You know she's really a dude, so if you thought
Rihanna.
that was hot, you're gay.
You realize you put it sideways when you put
you want to show MTV your crib? Do it.
Fuck no, get the fuck out of my house.
Do it.
No.
Show MTV your crib. I'm gonna go show him.
Go show
Hey,
Come
come
with
on,
me.
come get some shots of my butt too.
Turn on the light. Uh-oh.
We like Shane, let me impersonate him. Alright, this is my room. This is where all the magic happens. I call it church, where all the girls lose their faith at.
And then they got a bag for forgiveness. What about this room?
That's my baby's room. I'm not gonna say nothing bad about that room. This is my bathroom. This is where all the shit goes down at.
Say hello, camera.
No, I don't do pictures.
It's not a picture, it's a video.
Oh my god.
Drop it like it's hot, Miss Pam.
Huh?
Drop it like it's hot.
I don't want to scare nobody. Don't come near me.
Panning through. Just panning.
He's trying to get in the camera. That's what he's trying to do.
There you go.
You're such a weirdo.
Oh, she don't know.
Yeah, that's not fucking film worthy.
Can you say something to the camera?
Tell him what you're doing here, Zach.
working on Shane's flyer.
He's doing Rosetta Stone.
Was that stuff?
Fucking nasty.
You see that thing that says niggas be like learning Spanish and he's watching Dora the Explorer.
Rosetta Stone English.
Why are you just recording me, you stupid bitch?
I got this cousin named Walter. He bought a cat at the pet store, and then had the cat. It was all good. 2 weeks later, goes to the emergency room. Got the cat stuck up his ass. Like, how does this happen? How you get a cat stuck in your ass? So he had to go to the emergency room, get the cat out. Sure enough, he goes and gets another cat. Same shit. Cat ends up his ass again. Brings to the emergency room. So fuck, it's crazy. How many 2 cats get stuck up your ass? How's that even happen? So then, walking down the street, I stop in the pet store. Sure enough, I see my cousin there buying another fucking cat. Like, what are you doing, dude? You gonna get this cat stuck in your ass again? What the hell's the matter with you? He's like, how else am I gonna get the gerbil out?
That was a good one.
Okay, how you stop it?
Hit the red record button again.
Not